Hello students, in today's session we are going to see integration by substitution part 2. So actually in this video we are going to do almost all the sums based on these two formula. The first one is integral e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Actually if you have an integral, in that if you find e power x into a bracket which has sum of two terms, and one of the terms is a derivative function and the other one is its derivative, means then the answer will be e power x into the original function f of x, that is e power x into f of x plus c. So this is very important and very easily we can do the sums if you know the formula. And the another one is integral e power ax into, the coefficient of x here is a, so that a into f of x plus f dash of x if you have, then the answer will be e power ax into this f of x alone. So e power ax into f of x plus c. Right. So this, using these two only we are going to do all the sums. So keep in mind very clearly. And this derivative formula we know very well, 1 by x power n. So what is 1 by x power n differentiation formula? Minus n by x power n plus 1. So this formula you are going to use in almost all the sums. So be clear on it. And based on that, these two sums I want to give you. For example, if I am giving f of x equal to 1 by x, I am asking you to find f dash, that is differentiation. Here what is the power of x? 1, right? So take that and apply in the formula. So you get minus 1 by x power 1 plus 1, so 2. So f dash of x becomes minus 1 by x square. Right. So here the f of x is 1 by x square. So here the n value is 2. So apply in the place. So you get minus 2 by x power 2 plus 1. So you get minus 2 by x power 3. Now we are going to see exercise number 2.6, sum number 13. So I equal to integral e power x into 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube into dx. So actually this integral, does it look like the formula what we have learnt? Yes, e power x we have, and here we have two functions, one may be f of x, the other may be f dash of x. Okay, let's check which one is that. Okay, here this 1 by x square you take it, f of x equal to 1 by x square. If you differentiate f of x, what do you get? F dash. So the here by the formula, what is the formula we have learnt? We have learnt integral, sorry, d by dx of 1 by x power n, d by dx of 1 by x power n. When you differentiate, the answer is minus n by x power n plus 1. So by this formula, if you differentiate it, here you have 2. So when you apply the 2 here, you get minus 2 by x power 2 plus 1. So 3 you have. So have you got the second term? Yes. So this is f of x and this must be f dash of x. Okay. Anyway, we compare it with the formula. So we know that integral e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to f of x, e power x into f of x. So here e power x is same. You know what is f of x? 1 by x square, and what is f dash of x? Minus 2 by x cube into dx is equal to, what is the answer? E power x into f of x. What is f of x? 1 by x square. So in this type of sum, the only thing you have to recognize is which is f of x and which is f dash of x, and the whole integral, does it match with this formula. So if it is matching with this formula, the answer will be e power x into f of x. For this sum, the f of x function is 1 by x square, so the answer is e power x into 1 by x square. Now the next sum we are going to see, it is an example sum, example 2.36. I equal to integral e power x within bracket x square plus 2x into ex. Okay, it merely matches with the formula what we have learnt, and this is a very simple sum. Here x square we have, so take it as f of x equal to x square. When you differentiate x square, we know very well we get 2x. So this must be f dash of x. So f of x equal to x square. When I differentiate it, I get 2x. So I have f of x and f dash of x. So it looks like this formula. So I write the formula, integral e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx will be equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So e power x into f of x answer is x square plus f dash of x answer is 2x into dx equal to e power x into f of x. What is f of x? X square. So that I write here plus c. Now sum number 15 in exercise we are going to see. So I equal to integral e power 3x of 3x minus 1 by 9x square into dx. Okay. So in this sum, first I take the constant 9 in the denominator outside. So it is 9 in the denominator, but the whole part it is 1 by 9. So when you take it out, 1 by 9. So e power 3x of 3x minus 1 by x square into dx. I'm going to divide the 3x term by x square. So when I divide 3x by x square, 1x cancel. So we'll be having 3 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay, so we got this, and this is what we are going to take it as star marked equation. So equation star, right? And now in this one, it looks like e power ax into, right, a into, what is the a value? 3. So can you see 3 into a function 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So does it look like this formula? Integral e power ax of a into f of x plus f dash of x dx. Yes. So here 3 is a, because here the coefficient of x is 3. So obviously that 3 is here. So leave it. What is the remaining? 1 by x. So take it as f of x. So f of x equal to 1 by x. Now differentiated. F dash of x equal to, by the formula, here the power is 1. So we know the formula. When you differentiate 1 by x power n, what is the formula? Minus n by x power n plus 1. So minus 1 by x power 1 plus 1, so x square. So take it all, these two you take it. Now go for the formula, write the formula here, and in the place of a you're going to apply 3, because here it is 3, right? So integral e power 3x of 3 into f of x is 1 by x minus f dash of x is minus 1 by x square into dx equal to e power ax, that is e power 3x into f of x is 1 by x, so 1 by x. So this is the answer when you solve this integral, right? But before that, what we have? A number 1 by 9. So that value will be there. So the total I equal to, the whole answer is equal to I equal to 1 by 9 into this integral's answer only we got it, e power 3x by x. So that I have written. So that's all. So take this answer and apply in this place. So you get 1 by 9 into e power 3x by x plus c. Now example number 2.38, we are going to see the same type of sum. So I equal to integral e power 2x. We are not having e power x, we have e power 2x of 2x minus 1 by 4x square into dx. So this time we are having e power ax type. So the formula will be this, right? So here the denominator we have a term 4x square. In that 4 you take it out. So 1 by 4 integral e power x square of 2x minus 1 by x square into dx. With this x square, if I divide this term, I would get 1x cancel. So 2 by x at the front, then minus 1 by x square at the back. So mark it as equation star. And now we are going to compare it with the formula, right? In this formula, e power ax is compared with e power 2x. So e power ax equal to e power 2x. So see that 2x will be equal to ax. So obviously the a value will be 2, right? Okay. And then 2 by x will be compared with a into f of x. So 2 by x will be compared with a into f of x. So here a value is 2, we know, right? So a equal to 2 means then this f of x value will be what? 1 by x. So only I have written f of x equal to 1 by x. Now differentiate this 1 by x. So what will you have? Minus 1 by x square. So that is f dash of x. Now we know the formula. So integral e power ax of a into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to e power ax into f of x plus c. So here e power ax, so a value is 2, right? So e power 2x of a value is 2. So 2 into f of x is 1 by x minus f dash of x, that is minus 1 by x square. So that only I have applied here. Dx equal to e power ax. So e power 2x into f of x, that is 1 by x plus c, right? So take this answer and apply in this place. So 1 by 4 into, the answer is e power 2x by x. So altogether you get I equal to 1 by 4 into e power 2x by x plus c. So now 14th sum in exercise we are going to see I equal to integral e power x of x minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole cube into dx. Alright. So this time we have e power x only. So this bracket must have the form like f of x plus f dash of x. But we are not having like that. Okay. So we do one thing. Here x plus 1. But in the numerator we see x minus 1. So to make it in the proper form, I am going to express the numerator with the help of this term x plus 1. So how can I make this x look like x plus 1? If I have plus 1, it will be looking like x plus 1, right? Then purposively we are adding and subtracting 1 in the numerator. So after x you add 1, then after that put minus 1, and this minus 1 will remain the same in that place. Now for this x plus 1, first x plus 1 you put a bracket, then minus 1 becomes minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole cube into dx. Now with this x plus 1 the whole cube, if I divide x plus 1, I will have 1x plus 1, 1x plus 1 cancel. So 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Then with this x plus 1 the whole cube, if I divide this, I would get minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole cube into dx. Right. Now take this. Now does it look like f of x plus f dash of x? Yes. If you take this as f of x and differentiate, you will be getting f dash of x. And here you compare this formula, this term with 1 by x power n formula. What is 1 by x power n formula? Minus n by x power n plus 1. So here n is 2. So minus 2 by, in the place of x we have x plus 1. So what? So put the same. So minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole power 2 plus 1 3. That's all. So this is f of x and this is f dash of x. So we compare it with the formula integral e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx will be equal to e power x into f of x. So e power x is there, f of x is 1 by 1 plus x square, then f dash of x is minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole cube into dx equal to e power x into f of x value 1 by x plus 1 the whole square plus c. It is the most important sum, but very easy. This part, the separation part, you must know very well, right? So now we are going to see example number 2.37. I equal to integral x into e power x by 1 plus x the whole square into dx. Here also the same thing. So we have e power x. So it is the first type of formula. But in the denominator we have 1 plus x the whole square, but in the numerator we have only x. So can we express x with the help of 1 plus x? Yes, of course. So we have to add 1 with this x. So I'm going to add and subtract 1 in the numerator only. So before that I keep the e power x in the front. So I equal to integral e power x of x plus 1 minus 1. We are adding 1 and subtracting 1. And when you divide this x plus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square, 1x plus 1, 1x plus 1 cancel. So 1 by x plus 1. Then minus 1 by 1x plus 1 the whole square. 1 plus x or x plus 1, both are same. The whole square into dx. So we got it. Now, does it look like e power x of f of x plus f dash of x? Yes. And take this as f of x. So f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. So here this whole power is 1, right? So 1 by x plus 1 the whole power n. So by the formula we have minus n by x power n plus 1. So minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole power 1 plus 1 2. So we got it. So this is f of x and this must be f dash of x, right? So we know the formula integral e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x. So apply the values. So e power x, f of x value is 1 by x plus 1 plus f dash of x answer is minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square into dx is equal to e power x into f of x. F of x value is 1 by x plus 1 plus c. That's all. Example number 2.39 we are going to see. I equal to integral 1 by log x minus 1 by log x the whole square into dx. This is the question. But this time in the integral, have you seen any e power x term? No. If you have e power x, then f of x plus f dash of x, then only we can apply the formula. But we do not have e power x. So what we have to do? We have 1 by log x minus 1 by log x the whole square. So let's have a try. This time we are going to do it by substitution method, right? So take the log x as t equal to log x. When you differentiate it, dt by dx you will be getting, and that side you will be getting 1 by x. And take this x to this side and dx to the other side. For this sum, you have to take x to this side and dx to that side. So x into dt equal to dx. We got it, right? So here you can see t equal to log x means the log when it goes to the other side, it goes as e. So e power t. Okay, the log, if it is taken to the other side, e power t equal to the x will remain. So instead of x, what we can use hereafter? E power t. So in this x place, I am going to get e power t. So e power t into dt is equal to dx. So now we substitute these two values in the question. So instead of dx, what are we going to apply? E power t into dt. So that I have applied. Then instead of log x, what are we going to apply? T. So 1 by t minus 1 by log x the whole square, that is 1 by t square. That's all. So keep this in the front or let it be there. But now you can compare this with e power x of f of x plus f dash of x. So this time we are using t variable. So f of t equal to 1 by t. When you differentiate 1 by t, we get minus 1 by t square. So this looks like this formula. So e power t, integral e power t of f of t plus f dash of t into dt is equal to e power t into f of t plus c. Instead of x, I have used the variable t. That's all. So e power t is same. F of t answer is 1 by t and f dash of t answer is minus 1 by t square into dt is equal to e power t into f of t value is 1 by t plus c. So what is e power t actually? E power t is nothing but x. So put x in the place. So 1 by t. What is t actually? Log x. So 1 by log x. Like that in the left side also you have to convert. So here e power t into dt. Together you can change it as dx. Then 1 by t means log x. So 1 by log x minus 1 by log x the whole square. After bringing to this step, you have to convert the question answer to the x form. So that is the most important step of this particular sum.